Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festus 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 37 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman. And this is brought to you by our mates over at Fanhome. Now if you want to grab this and build along with me this beautiful 1/8 scale model, head over to this link here. There's a clickable version in the description below, folks. Pop. And you too can take out a subscription for this beautiful thing. Look at it. Let's have a quick scoop through the magazine. This is about the TV show there, hot off the griddle. There's Catwoman there, looking menacing. Next up, you've got Batman comics. This one's saying the senator has been shot. Batman year by year. This is 71. This is the slight change in some of the artwork that was prevalent in the 70s, folks. Some of you won't be old enough to remember that. That's when I started getting Batman comics. Some of the artwork there moved on from the 1950s era there, and yeah, just beginning to get a bit more sinister at this stage. Some more information there. Give these a read, folks. They're well worth it. And this is what we're up to today. We've got the floor pan going into the top of the body shell, the frame, the floor frame. And it is a massive piece, folks. Look at that. And that's die cast. Absolutely amazing. Got a little cutout there for the switch when we're doing the electricity, and this one is going to be for your speaker, folks, so bear that in mind. Okay, so we'll put that just to one side. FUD. And there you go, that's telling us what we need. And we got CM screws going in today, and there's 12, and you've got a couple of spares as well. Okay, and we're going all the way around this floor pan. What that's going to do is that is going to stiffen up the chassis that we've been building, because as you know, it's a bit flexible. This is going to stiffen that up, folks. It says make sure before fixing all the screws that the holes are properly aligned between the floor pan and the body frame. There you go. So just double check, folks. And that is what you're going to end up with at the end of this issue. Now I'm excited because this is quite a key part going in here, and it's just going to start bringing it all together. So there you go. Let's put the instructions at the back. Big in it. Look at that. Now you'll remember we put this in last time, and you'll notice mine's tilted up, right up in the air like that, and that's for a reason, because it's coming inside the floor in this edge here. So we want to be able to slide that underneath, drop that down, and the steering to retain itself inside the car. Okay, so flip your steering column up before you put your floor in. So let's grab one of these and we can start getting some of these in. And we're going into some of these recessed stages in here. One there, etc. Okay. So I'm just going to put a bit of oil in, and I'm going to go for a middle one, just my choice. And we can start pulling that all together. Look at that, straight away. It's like, yeah, feel it. And then come around there and pull that frame leg up. Like so. Now we can start coming in between now. And I shall do one side and then I shall go round and do the other. Because the floor pan itself isn't twisted, the chassis is. Because obviously it's been moved around a lot. So bear that in mind. So I'm going to do this side first to pull everything here into alignment. and then we can see how we look as we go across the middle section of the tunnel towards the other side, folks. Okay, but they seem to be going in okay at the moment. That resounding click to me lets me know that everything is pulling itself into alignment. So I'll do that screw there, and there's a leg under there. Bink. Got a tunnel screw there. None across the back there because we've got a boot section, but we'll be starting over in that corner soon. So I'm going to put that tunnel screw in, and then I can turn the chassis around for you. There's one just there. Bink, there you go. That's just dropped itself straight in. And you'll notice I'm putting my hand underneath, and I'm doing that just to try to push the chassis towards the floor and not put any strain on. But I can feel the difference as I'm moving this round already, where everything just seems to be pulling itself into alignment. So a very, very key piece, and I think that's why they've made it out of die cast, to be honest with you, because it is pulling all the chassis legs into alignment. And I think if it was plastic, it would try to deform. So well done to Fanhome for that, because it would have probably been cheaper for them to produce it that way, but I don't think you would have got the strength that we're getting like this. So I like that. I like that they've gone the extra mile and made it out of metal. Pop. A little bit of oil on there. Bung one in the middle first, just to pull that right down. I can't do brum brum noises yet because I've only got the front wheels on. I so want to do brum brum noises. Let's work our way into there. Let's do that corner now that I've pulled the middle in. And that, in theory, should leave two more left. One more in there. Like that. Pop. Look at the difference, the way that is bowed underneath, and as soon as you pop this in, that's going to pull that right up in the way and get that lined up. There you go, it's just popped. There you go, look at that. So it just shows you how much flex there was in that frame. And then that's the last one just there. I wonder they gave you 12 screws, because that's what it needs. There you go, look at the difference. And that's what you've got, folks. You've got a chassis that is now rock solid. That really is a huge difference, because normally when you lift that before this section's in, you can feel the chassis trying to do this around the centre, and that is literally stiffened that completely now. So there you go, folks. That is this issue done and dusted, and that's what you're going to have on your bench. Oh my, brum brum. Yeah, there you go, I've done a brum brum noise. So if you're enjoying this build or want to build along with me, head over to the Fanhome website, all the way along there. Take out a subscription to this beautiful 1/8 scale model. You will not be disappointed. And if you like doing brum brum noises like I do, you're going to have great fun. Remember also to help me out, click the little fester in the corner and subscribe to my channel. It's free. And also, whilst you're there, ring the bell so you get notified of future content. Thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.